Many gaming PCs used to be underpowered, overpriced, and honestly, not worth it. But in 2026, that has completely changed. Today, you can get serious gaming performance in a tiny, compact machine that fits right on your desk or even behind your monitor. So in this video, I'm counting down the top 5 best mini gaming PCs in 2026, starting from the absolute best all the way to the best budget option. Whether you're a casual gamer, a content creator, or just want a clean minimalist setup, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI Hyper H1 24GB version. In our top spot is the KAMRUI Hyper H1, powered by the Ryzen 7 7735HS, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, paired with 24GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5 RAM and a terabyte NVMe SSD. This mini PC is an absolute powerhouse for its size. The Ryzen 7 7735HS is a high-performance mobile chip, and when combined with the Radeon 680M integrated graphics, you're getting one of the best iGPU gaming experiences available right now. You can comfortably play games like GTA 5, Elden Ring, Forza Horizon 5, and even some newer AAA titles at medium settings with smooth frame rates. For esports titles like Valorant, CS2, and Fortnite, this thing absolutely flies. And it's not just about gaming. This PC is also excellent for video editing, streaming, and heavy multitasking. Pros: flagship-level mini PC performance. Radeon 680M is one of the best iGPUs. 24GB LPDDR5 RAM equals excellent multitasking. Fast 1TB NVMe SSD. Triple 4K display support. If you want the best mini gaming PC overall in 2026, this is hands down the winner. Number 2. KAMRUI Hyper H1 16GB version. In the second spot is the slightly more affordable version of the same machine, the KAMRUI Hyper H1 with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. Performance-wise, you're getting almost the exact same experience as the number 1 spot because it uses the same Ryzen 7 7735HS processor and Radeon 680M graphics. The only real difference is less RAM and storage, which may matter if you're doing heavy multitasking or storing large game libraries. But for pure gaming, the difference is minimal. This makes it one of the best value high-performance mini PCs you can buy right now. Pros: same CPU and GPU as the top model. Excellent gaming performance. More affordable than number 1. Fast LPDDR5 RAM. If you want high-end gaming power at a better price, this is the sweet spot. Number 3. GMKtec M5 Plus. In our third spot is the GMKtec M5 Plus, powered by the Ryzen 7 5825U with a massive 32GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD. This mini PC is more focused on productivity and multitasking rather than pure gaming. With 32GB of RAM, you can run multiple applications, edit videos, stream, and browse all at the same time without slowdowns. Gaming performance is still decent for lighter titles, but it won't match the Radeon 680M found in the top 2 picks. However, where it really shines is versatility. It's perfect for users who want one machine for both work and play. Pros: huge 32GB RAM. Excellent for multitasking. Fast SSD storage. Wi-Fi 6E and dual LAN. Best choice for creators, professionals, and multitaskers who also game occasionally. Number 4. ACEMAGIC Ryzen 5 4300U. Next, we have the ACEMAGIC Mini PC featuring a Ryzen 5 4300U, 16GB RAM, and a 512GB SSD. This is a great mid-range mini PC that balances performance and affordability. It handles everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work effortlessly, and when it comes to gaming, it can run esports titles like Valorant, CS2, and Fortnite at playable settings. It's not designed for heavy AAA gaming, but for casual gamers, it gets the job done. Pros: good performance for the price, reliable everyday usage, energy efficient, compact and clean design. a solid mid-range option for casual users and gamers. Number 5. BOSGAME E5. In our last spot is the BOSGAME E5 powered by the Ryzen 3 5300U with 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD. This is the most budget-friendly option on this list. It's ideal for basic computing, media consumption, and very light gaming. Think indie games, older titles, or cloud gaming. You also get a generous 1 TB SSD, which is great at this price point. Pros: very affordable, large storage, compact and efficient, good for basic tasks. Perfect for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. Thanks for sticking around to see the top 5 mini gaming PCs in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tech review. All the products I mentioned are linked in the description, so you can check prices and grab the one that's right for you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which mini PC would you pick for your setup? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.